A very good afternoon to everyone. Deepavali is a reminder to appreciate the little joys and find peace in the simple moments. The beauty of Deepavali lies in the harmony it brings to our minds and hearts. It is the season of giving thanks for life's many blessings and spreading love. The lamps of Deepavali symbolize the light of wisdom that never dims. Prayer is not for someone to listen, but it is to strengthen your faith in God. With this quote, I invite our choir group to present a song.
ಪ್ರಭುವೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ಸಾಧನ ನನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊ ಪ್ರಭುವೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ದೂತನು ನಾನಾಗುವೆ ಪ್ರಭುವೇ ದ್ವೇಷವ ಅಳಿಸಲು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಬೆಳೆಸಲು ഇരുಳನ್ನು ಛೇದಿಸಿ ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ಬೆಳಗಲು ಪರರನ್ನು ಅರಿಯಲು ಸಾಂತ್ವನ ನೀಡಲು ನೋವನ್ನು ಓಡಿಸಿ ನಲಿವಲಿ ನಡೆಸಲು ನಿನ್ನ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ಸಾಧನ ನನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊ ಪ್ರಭುವೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ದೂತನು ನಾನಾಗುವೆ ಪ್ರಭುವೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ಸಾಧನ ನನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊ ಪ್ರಭುವೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ದೂತನು ನಾನಾಗುವೆ ಪ್ರಭುವೇ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you for your melodious song. Dance is the hidden language of the soul. I am delighted to welcome you all to a dance performance by our talented students from 8th standard students.
प्रेम के दीप है खुशियों की बाती मस्ती की रोशनी सबको लुभाती प्रेम के दीप है खुशियों की बाती मस्ती की रोशनी सबको लुभाती आंगन ये लगता है पूजा की थाली फूल धाम की देखो दिवाली आई दिवाली देखो दिवाली आई दिवाली गोकुल धाम की देखो दिवाली आई दिवाली देखो दिवाली आई दिवाली. इस दिवाली को ऐसे मनाएंगे घर घर गरीबों के दिए जलाएंगे दिन और दुखियों की करते सहाय सबका मुंह मीठा हो बाटे मिठाई
लक्ष्मी और सरस्वती देवी का पूजन हो व्यापार में धंधे तरक्की से रोशन हो
आया है सुंदर ये छुट्टी का त्योहार झटपट चुपके हैं हर परिवार देखो दिवाली आई दिवाली देखो दिवाली आई दिवाली गोकुल धाम की देखो दिवाली आई दिवाली देखो दिवाली आई दिवाली. ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಲೀಲಾವಳಿ ಹಳೆಯ ಮಗನಾದನು ಮಾವ ಮಗುವಾದನು ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಲೀಲಾವಳಿ ಹಳೆಯ ಮಗನಾದನು ಮಾವ ಮಗುವಾದನು
Thank you for your wonderful dance. You have to find what sparks a light in you so that you in your own way can illuminate the world. With this beautiful quote, I like to invite Harini from 8th standard, 10th standard to give a speech on Deepavali celebration. A very good afternoon to our respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today on this pleasant morning, I am Harini, standing here in front of you all to deliver a short speech on Deepavali. Deepavali is considered as the most important festival in India, and the massive celebration organized during the festival are not the reason behind it. Deepavali is attached with some religious and spiritual values. It is believed that Hindu deities Lord Ganesha and Lourdes Lakshmi shower their blessings on people during these days, which marks the beginning of the financial year. As we all know, Ma Lakshmi is known as the goddess of wealth and prosperity, while on the other hand, Lord Ganesha is Lord of wisdom. He removes all the obstacles from one's life. So, worshipping these Hindu deities on this festival brings prosperity, wealth, wisdom, and happiness to your life. Another theory behind the celebration of Deepavali happens to be the return of Lord Rama to his kingdom Ayodhya. On this day, the epic tale of Ramayana says that Lord Rama returned with his wife Sita and younger brother Lakshmana after killing the demon Ravana. His return to Ayodhya lightened up the entire kingdom with lights, diyas, joy and excitement. The people of Ayodhya were very grateful for the return of their king Lord Rama, and the massive celebrations were organized to welcome Lord Rama. The process continued ever since, and hence Deepavali is recognized as the festival of lights to celebrate the win of God over evil, the win of Lord Rama over Ravana. But it is important to be extremely careful while celebrating such huge and massive festivals. In the excitement of festivals, we often forget the harmful impact our activities create on the environment and general life on people. I would also like to highlight a few important points that every one of us should keep in mind before we begin the celebration of Deepavali 2024. The first point is regarding our own safety. There have been multiple incidents of house fires and human burnings in the past. It is extremely important to be safe and ensure that everyone around you is safe. Secondly, it is better to opt for alternative measures of firecrackers such as eco-friendly crackers or avoid bursting crackers at all because they decrease the air quality, thus enhancing air pollution and degrading the environment. People suffering from asthma, bronchitis and such lung problems are severely affected by the carbon residues produced by firecrackers. Thirdly, and the most important point is to help the marginalized section of our society and ensure that they can light up their houses and prepare sweets on Deepavali with few pennies that they earn by selling Deepavali decorative items and other essentials such as diyas, calendar, idols and more. With this, I would like to end my speech here by saying that let's all be a bit responsive and celebrate a safe and sound Deepavali. Let us all please ensure that we don't harm our environment, ourselves or anybody that we know by our acts. Thank you one and all. Have a beautiful day. Thank you, dear Harini. Dance is a special art form that can be understood and felt by everyone. I would like to invite our students from 9th standard to perform a dance for all of you.
ದೀಪದಿಂದ ದೀಪವ 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 ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು ಮಾನವ 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 ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಂಚಿರೋ ದೀಪದಿಂದ ದೀಪವ ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು ಮಾನವ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಂಚಲು ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ಮನಸ್ಸನು ಬೆಳಗಬೇಕು ಮಾನವ ಮೇಲು ಕೀಳು ಭೇದ ನಿಲ್ಲಲು ಭೇದವಿಲ್ಲ ಬೆಂಕಿಗೆ ದ್ವೇಷವಿಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಕಿಗೆ ನೀ ತಿಳಿಯೋ ನೀ ತಿಳಿಯೋ
ದೀಪದಿಂದ ದೀಪವ ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು ಮಾನವ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಂಚಲು
ದೇಶವೆಂದು ಹೊರೆ ಎಂದರು ಹಬ್ಬದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಗಲು ಎಂದರು ಜನಕ ಕುಡಿಯುವುದೇ ದೀಪಾವಳಿ
ದೀಪದಿಂದ ದೀಪವ ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು ಮಾನವ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಂಚಲು ಭೇದವಿಲ್ಲ ಬೆಂಕಿಗೆ ದ್ವೇಷವಿಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಕಿಗೆ ನೀ ತಿಳಿಯೋ ನೀ ತಿಳಿಯೋ
ದೀಪದಿಂದ ದೀಪವ ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು ಮಾನವ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಂಚಲು ಹಣತೆಯಾದರೆ ಬೀಜದಿಂದ ಎಣ್ಣೆಯಾಯಿತು
ಅರಳಿಯಿಂದ ಬತ್ತಿಯಾದರೆ ಸುಡುವ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯಾಯಿತು
ನಂಬಿಸುವುದು ತುಂಬ ಸುಲಭವೋ ಹೇ ಮಾನವ ನಂಬಿಸುವುದು ತುಂಬ ಕಠಿಣವೋ ಹೇ ದಾನವ
ದೀಪದಿಂದ ದೀಪವ
ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು ಮಾನವ
ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಂಚಲು
ಭೇದವಿಲ್ಲ ಬೆಂಕಿಗೆ
Thank you. It was a beautiful performance. Words of wisdom are more precious than jewels. I would like to invite Father Nelson D'Souza to speak few words.
Good afternoon, dear students. We are supposed to be the lights of the world. That is why we celebrate today in Loyola English High School the festival of lights, Deepavali. We call it from Karnataka, whereas Diwali is a word which they use in the northern part of Karnataka. This comes from the Sanskrit word which means Deepavali itself, which means festival of light. It's not one light, it's called many lights. We are called to be light to the other. There is a story somewhere, the incident where one man lights the lamp and he doesn't hide under the bed or any other dark place. When we light the lamp, which is called as diya, which Shikumar sir has lit today, it is still burning. So each teacher among you who is here, they are your lights who increase your brightness every day in these classes. And each of you whom you are sitting with, the person next to you is a light to you. One must light the other. One must become the brightness of the other, not darkness of the other. That is why we say Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya. From darkness to light, we are supposed to go. Dear students, I want to ask you, you don't have to raise your hands to me. How many of you are living in darkness? Darkness of sin, darkness of laziness, darkness of procrastinating and postponing things, darkness of wasting time, darkness of not obeying your parents and teachers, darkness of spoiling others' name. So we are called on this Deepavali to be light, light to be active in our studies, to be bright in our character and virtues and so on. I wish all of you a very happy Deepavali. Deepavali is not supposed to be a day only once a year. We are supposed to celebrate Deepavali every day. That is why we are supposed to be these lights. That's why I request one person from every class. I request Shikumar sir to lead them. One leader from 10th A, 10th B, 9th standard 1 leader and 8th standard 1 leader to come and light this diya. Light the lamp. Let us all of you sing together Asatoma Sadgamaya in a spiritual way.
गुलाबी गुलाबी मौसम, धड़कन भी तो है रोशन, हर दिल में जगमग होती है, खुशियाँ ताक लो हर पल, हर जीवन ज्योति से जलती ज्योति है। हंसी हवाइया देखो जहाँ भी अपना लगे, अब तो मिटाए न सके रहे मोहब्बत के नाम मेरे सिंह से आई है फिर से हैप्पी वाली फीलिंग लेके दिवाली, आई है फिर से हैप्पी वाली फीलिंग लेके दिवाली, हैप्पी दिवाली, हैप्पी दिवाली, हैप्पी दिवाली, हैप्पी दिवाली। सबको गले से लगाएंगे, रोते हुए को हंसाएंगे, लेके उम्मीदों की एक फुलझड़ी हम मोहब्बत के दीपक जलाएंगे, पूजा की थाली सजाएंगे, हम अपने सर को झुकाएंगे, सबकी मनोकामना होगी पूरी जो राम जी कृपा बरसाएंगे। तो नए सपने लिए सब अपने लिए आओ हम झूमे नाचे गाए रे, अब तो मिटाए नफरते रहे मोहब्बतें कि राम जी की ब्लेसिंग से आई है फिर से हैप्पी वाली फीलिंग लेके दिवाली, आई है फिर से हैप्पी वाली फीलिंग लेके दिवाली, हैप्पी दिवाली, हैप्पी दिवाली, वेरी हैप्पी दिवाली, हैप्पी दिवाली।
Thank you. Your movements captured the essence of the music. Gratitude can transfer coming days into thanking givings, turn routine jobs into joy, and change ordinary opportunities into blessings. I would like to call Sheetal from 9th standard to present a heartfelt vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. I stand here today to express my heartfelt gratitude to all those who have present and made this program possible. To principals, your guidance and vision have creating a nurturing environment for learning. Thank you, Father, for your tireless effort is making our school a better place. I would like to thank our principal, Reverend Father Nelson D'Souza, who has always become a support to all our initiatives, who encourage us to strive for excellence. Now, I would like to extend my gratitude to our teachers.
Thank you, teachers. Finally, I would like to thank each and everyone, my classmates and my friends. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Sheetal. Your words captured our gratitude perfectly. Wishing you a Diwali filled with peace, health and happiness. May your life be blessed with love and light. May the lamps of Diwali illuminate your life and bring your family God fortune. Happy Diwali 2024. Once again, I thank you all for being here with us today.